So I'm here to tell you a good reason to take someone to your appointments with you. I had an MRI the other day and I drove myself. I took my husband's car and I parked in a pull-through spot, so in the front spot, ready to pull out, and put the car in park and decided to check my phone. Next thing you know, my head doesn't feel quite right. I'm feeling a little sickish, and I realize that the sensors on the car are beeping. And I realize that I am slowly backing up the hill that I parked on. And the beeping is because there's cars on either side of me. Thankfully, none behind me. This all was happening in very slow motion. Yeah. Had my MRI. Came out of there with a massive migraine. Those things are loud. You should see my blog post about that. It's the Dangerous Metals with Charlie XCX, if you're looking for it, at my website. Anyways, and so drove myself home, and here in England, the driver's side of the car is on the right, and Dawn also parks on the right-hand spot beside my car. I had to get all of my stuff out of the passenger side, so I jumped out of the driver's side and walked around the car, opened the door to get my stuff, only to realize I had walked all the way around and had opened the door of my car. Can we say brain fog? So, at this point I realize that there's a bit of a flaw in my logic, and taking someone to the appointment with you really doesn't help you remember to put the car in park. But it would have been helpful afterwards when I had the migraine for someone to drive me home, because clearly I was not in the right state of mind with my car parking at home. Anyways, moral of the story, it's always great to have a friend or someone who loves you with you at your appointments and tests. So just take someone, and then if they need to drive, they can drive. And we all want less health stress, yes?